January 6th, 7th. We have another beautiful day in Seattle. I don't know. Can you see the rain? Because it's been like this every single day since we got back from Minnesota and Dallas. It's really getting old. That's all I got. Just saying. I don't feel good. And I want to be motivated and get stuff done. But A, I don't feel good, like I just said. Sorry. And B, this weather is depressing AF. You know? Just unbelievable gray rain every single minute of every single day until it gets dark at 5 o'clock. All right, bye.